Hello and welcome back to the GRE Catcher. We are going to stay in chapter 4, the algebra chapter, and here is question 5. And question 5 is a percentage question, and he is telling you that x is greater than 0, so it's always a positive value, and he is comparing quantity A and to quantity B. Quantity A is x percent of 100 times x, and here it's x square. There is a very useful tip to use here. You can of course try it non-algebraically, try to plug in some numbers and compare them, and you'll definitely find the same result which we'll make here. But I will use a different method, and this method is always, if you have a percent, this expression always, if you have a percent, write it as a value divided by 100. For example, here if I say it's 1%, if I substitute it here for 1%, so I would say 1% times 100. Of course it's here time 1 because x is equal here to 1, but always write it 1 over 100 times 100. And if you formulate it more algebraically, you will find it that you always write the x here, and you can also write the x here. So it's here, if I remove this, it will be here x, and here is also equal to x. If you simplify it, this 100 will go with this 100, and your value, the final value, will be x square. So quantity A and quantity B are both is x square. That's why you write it like this, like 1 over 100. But if you just ignore it and you try always to solve it by your head, you will also get the same value. But I think you'll be suspicious, and you will make it many times to at least 3 times, so it will waste you more time. So solve it algebraically. I believe if you can solve it algebraically, go for it. It will be easier for you to solve it algebraically. Using algebra, it's all about simplification and not wasting your time in a lot of trying. That's the main idea of the whole algebra thing. Okay, I think that's all for this question, and see you in the question 6. Okay, thank you very much.